In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Chrome from suggesting search results. If you're tired of seeing predictive queries pop up as you type, or you don't want results tailored from your account activity, this walkthrough will help you turn those off so your search bar feels cleaner and more private. Start by opening Chrome and heading into Settings. You'll usually find this by selecting the menu in the top corner of the browser window or app and choosing Settings from the list. We're going to make a couple of quick adjustments that control how Chrome and Google show suggestions while you type. Next, look for search personalization. This area manages how your searches are influenced by your account activity. Open it and you'll see an option called personal search or personal results. Turn this off. Disabling this stops Chrome from pulling in tailored suggestions based on things like your recent searches, your history across Google services, and other activity linked to your account. After you switch it off, you should notice fewer personalized prompts appearing beneath the address bar and on Google's search page. Once that's done, go back to the previous screen to return to the main settings view. You can use the back arrow at the top until you're back where the rest of the options are listed. We'll make one more change to reduce the generic suggestions you might see. Now, open Other Settings. In there, find the option for trending searches and switch it off. Trending searches are the popular queries that appear based on what's hot on Google right now, not necessarily related to your activity. Turning this off keeps your search field focused on what you're actually typing rather than what's currently popular. That's it. With personal search disabled and trending searches turned off, Chrome should stop suggesting results that come from your account activity or global trends. This won't remove basic autocomplete for things like URLs you've already typed or sites you frequently visit. Those can still appear because they're stored locally in your browser. But you'll see a significant reduction in the extra clutter and distractions that appear as you type. If your menu labels look slightly different, don't worry. Chrome updates can move things around a bit. The key is to find the options related to search personalization and trending suggestions and make sure both are turned off. When you're done, try typing a few queries into the address bar to confirm the changes. You should notice the search box feels calmer, quicker to use, and more in line with your preferences. Enjoy the cleaner experience.